Yeah, come on, keep pulling back. Come on, baby. I don't think it's gonna be enough force. You need to get this wrapped
So
around
today
the
we're going to
trailer
do
hitch.
something kind of the same, but a little bit different. Since there's a hurricane off the coast of Florida right now and the weather is horrible, I figured I'd share some GoPro footage I have. I was out on one of my boats, my gi knew, and when we got back to the boat ramps, it was total chaos. And my GoPro, which was still on my chest, was still recording. So enjoy the footage.
Just sit here.
I'm gonna tie it. I'm gonna tie it.
Oh no, get your truck. Oh god. Yeah, come on, keep pulling back. Come on, baby. I don't think it's gonna be enough force. You need to get this wrapped around the trailer hitch. Yeah. Does he have a hitch on the back? He got a trailer hitch? Does he have a hitch?
You got a hitch on the back?
Oh god. You want to back it in and tie it to the hitch?
Back it up!
Back it in! Tie it to the hitch. Come on! Straight! 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 Come on, over this! Right there. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey, you need back. You need to go a little back. Come on, come on! Back a little bit more! Right there. Okay. Stop! Okay, you got it? I don't know, you want to try to tie it on as best as possible? You tie it, I don't know how to tie it. Tie it. Just double knot it, triple knot it.
Just let me try it with that one rope. Let me try
No,
that one
it
rope.
says snap. Just do 2 knots, double knot it.
That's good enough. Let me
This truck
try.
is going to be hard to fucking pull.
Wait, no.
There you go, there you go. There you go.
Wow.
Hey! Oh shit!
The axle is in.
We literally lost control of it, and I thought the cord was going to snap.
Salt water, Bill.
I think
Shit out of here, Frenchie!
you guys should just take it off the ramp here.
Shit out of here, bro!
Take it home.
Get it out of here! Out of here!
Yeah, I got a boat on a trailer and it will roll my fucking axle, dude.
Shut up!
What's another problem? I'll do that right now.
I'm gonna tie it up to the cleat right here.
Oh, he's gonna get it out?
Yeah. He said he wanted to tie it up right here. He needs to call somebody to pick it up.
Okay. I can't pick up that?
No.
Okay. All right. Very good then. Thank you, lady. But have a good. Well, that was like that. But I'm glad they had a rope on that boat. And that's what they found out together.
Yeah, I'm gonna come on this side. There you go. Got it, babe?